I think my computer might have just gone to sleep when I was talking about the seventh chakra, pulling in energy. Maybe I'll have to go into my system preferences. I just got this computer. Okay, it's probably going to go to sleep again. Anyway, so the chakras, they pull in chaos and manipulate it into different wavelengths, if you will, um, or frequencies. You know, this is common enough knowledge that this is what chakras do. Just because it's common doesn't mean it's true, but it's useful. And so the seven different chakras, they pull in different rates of the chaotic energy and form us. They form our brains and the rest of our bodies, according to the nature of the chakra, which is the vibratory rate. It sounds cheesy, I know, and I need to perhaps be more articulate, but that's okay. The cheesiness will allow a mass audience to connect. So what I've said about chakras thus far is nothing new. I mean, this is how people view chakras. Now, my insight, I would say, comes from the idea that the chakras are stationary. Now, all physicality has some sort of chakra that pulls in chaos and forms its manifestation. It manifests. So a rock probably has a certain simple single chakra that pulls in chaos and forms its rockiness. Now, what I'm saying about the stationary aspect of chakras is that chakras don't move around in the sense that we think we have bodies and that we think we move through time and space. Chakras are stationary, and as they pull in energy and information and they create a movement out of this chaos, it appears that we move through the world, that we move through a house. But really what's happening is our chakras are moving energy around them. So everything has a sense of stillness. And this is a helpful way to connect with the Tao, which is otherwise a pretty abstract and obscure, almost anti-philosophy. How can we be still? So, considering the chakras of all existence as sort of stationary within a static universe, that is the fundamental nature of chaos. Chaos, there could be no real movement if everything is of the same fundamental unit. And so it's our pulling in energy that gives this, I guess what Buddhists would call illusion of movement. But illusion has such a degrading quality to it. I think it's very rich and, it's a fun adventure. Scary, but adventure. It's worthwhile. The chakras. I need to sort of refocus myself real quick. What does this have to do with the astral? Well, I'll get to that. I'm going to stop this video and do another video about how to clean the chakras. And we'll see you then.